I ain't gonna say that.
What happened?
It's hot.
Look at her. She's sitting down, eating ice cream in the jungle.
It's not ice cream.
Oh, what's that?
It's sweet ice.
Ah,
Sweet
living the
ice.
life.
Yeah, it's perfect for hiking, you know. It's sweet and it's ice and it's cold. Let me see. You're feeding. What are you doing with this?
I'm gonna feed it to the koi.
Koi.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're
okay.
sleeping right now though.
They'll wake up to food.
Yeah. Koi.
Oh.
Okay. Guys, you have to eat that. See?
You have breakfast and lunch. And maybe just breakfast because they'll eat it all. Early morning hikes are the best, guys, to get your body going. This is Donna's bike.
Yeah. Is that a new bag?
No, like old.
You know what? Maybe you can park here. Oh, just kidding, because there's no way in.
Oh yeah, the car you mean?
Yeah.
No. I have to lift the car up over the humps.
Yeah.
Me too.
My daughter and his father, her father, they were walking together. It was really
So like, when it was the first time, like,
Yeah.
summit,
Yeah.
like I had to pee. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sometimes there would be people that will do trail running,
Yeah.
that they will just like show up real fast. I was like, okay. But I do pee.
You peed?
Yeah, I was just like, not right now.
You kept it?
No, I peed.
Ah.
I had all the space I need. Just like spider
Spider web. But I'm getting a video of it first. You can watch it back in the video.
Wait, so how does this truck? How did this truck get in?
Maybe there's another way.
So we have to find a way so we can get in here and park.
That's too much. I'm sure there must be another way. Oh yeah, maybe you can come out, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna park your bike here. Ah.
I think so. So pretty.
Oh, no, look at the trees. One with nature. I'm hot. Is it after the stairs?
No.
Oh, false hope, yeah?
Yes, Chester.
Get all the cobwebs.
Get all them cobwebs.
Did you catch any?
Two princesses.
Yeah. Are you airbending?
That'll make it work.
There's a cobweb.
Ah!
Hey, Bob. Me too.
We are here. Yay. Oh my god, I'm so hot.
You could have taken a picnic mat. And
Yeah.
credit for there.
We hiked all that way just to come see this. I don't know why I keep setting myself up for this. But guys, the view is everything. I don't know if you can see. A bunch of houses. Over there is the water. Oh, there are owls up here.
Like, I think I see them.
It's not an owl, Chester. So after hiking, we're having coffee at the top of the hiking trail.
Do you want this?
Nah, I'm good.
Do you want this?
Yeah. No. ちょっと待って. I want this one, the 3-in-1.
And then if it's like not so strong.
Yeah. Got coffee. Coffee cream, sugar, chopsticks to sweeten or mix. You got some boiled eggs. We got some crackers, drip coffee. Options.
You can legit have a party here.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. The fun part would be you hike to the party.
Bring a speaker.
Everything. Oh my god,
Play your
you can play
loud
loud music. No one will care. No one lives here. Guys, we should do it.
We could drink here.
We could drink. Oh my god, drinking and then going down this hill.
Oh, we
That
can
will
do
not
day
be fun.
drinking here. Day drinking.
Day drink. Maybe day, because we can't drink at night. We won't make it back down safe.
But we have to walk back home.
Pepper and salt.
For what?
But it's egg. It needs black pepper and salt. Like, why didn't you think to bring black pepper? I just think it is. Oh my god, no. You need black pepper and salt. Proper egg. You know, maybe like an old lady that has pepper and salt and everything in her bag. Sugar, everything. Next time. Next time I'll make pancakes and we'll do scrambled eggs up here. We'll have proper breakfast.
This is where we're gonna train how to do camping properly.
It has to be a ninja. Oh shit. Oh.
There's a big bug.
Burn your calories.
She's gonna do a cartwheel, guys. Let's do it.
Like, I haven't done this.
Go for it.
Oh my god, what if I fall?
Then we'll laugh. Just kidding.
We're gonna call 119. Emergency.
Okay, now I'm shy. Wait.
Let's go.
Okay.
Whoa, one more.
You have to do 10. Oh my god, no.
One more. I was not able to get it.
I don't believe you.
No, I'm serious.
Let me see. You paused it.
I paused it. I'm serious. One more.
What if it's a one-time wonder? Like, one of those. One more time.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah, go for the same spot.
Whoa. Look at that.
It's been like 10 years since I have done one of those.
I had never done one in my entire
I
life.
used to be able to do it. You know, you could do it without your hands.
Yeah.
I can't anymore. That one I'll break my neck, for sure.
Can you do the double one?
Yeah, I'll break my neck. He likes you, Donna. Hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Hey, Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Oh. Are you living now?
In Japan.
Where? From
What's male, female?
this hey,
Male. What's his name?
Riku.
Ricky.
Riku.
Riku. Ah, Riku.
Hachiko Odaji. Hachiko-san.
Do you know the Hachiko in front of
Shibuya.
Shibuya? Oh.
同じタイプ？違う。
This dog is the class of Shibaken.
It's raining. Leaving. Guys, did you have fun hiking today?
Of course.
Super. Will you do it again?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to do it tomorrow?
Oh no, no.
And we all did some proper exercise.
We did.
Up there just
You
now.
did some cartwheel too.
Okay.
Hey, so
That's it for us today at the hiking day.
yeah, so let us know what topic you want us to talk about next time.
And girls, it's been raining, boys, gentlemen, so we gotta go.
Okay, bye.
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 You can do it.
Okay. You're gonna fall. No, let it go.
How do I stop it?
Like with the brakes.
I already have
Keep going fast.
Yeah, if you're
That's how you get the balance. Just go higher. Going down now and then let's go.
if you go faster, just pedal. If you stop pedaling, you're gonna lose your balance.
What is it?
If you stop pedaling, you're gonna lose your balance. So keep on pedaling. Yeah. It's so funny.
I'm done. It's just a little bit high though. You want to see
You
like
did it.
how